waits. It strikes, latching on with 6 rows of teeth, coiling itself around the large rodent. There is no escape. Anacondas don't kill with venom. They are constrictors. They compress the blood flow to their prey's heart, causing cardiac arrest. Once the heart has stopped beating, they begin to eat their meal whole, toes and all. They do this with the help of both stretchy ligaments and mobile joints in their mouths.
Rabbits are hindgut fermenters, and this means that they digest their food in a single chamber of their stomach. Because of all of this, it's much harder for them to actually pull out all the nutrients that they need from their food. So in order to get the nutrients that a rabbit needs, it passes its food through its digestive system twice. But to actually allow it to do this, what it does is it produces 2 different types of poo. The first of which is the cicatrapes poo, and this is the kind of dark, sticky pellet. It contains lots of minerals, proteins and nutrients that the rabbit needs. And to take these up, the rabbit nibbles the poo from around its bottom and passes it through the digestive system. They then produce a second type of poo, which is a fecal pellet that the rabbit doesn't eat. So eating your own poo doesn't sound great, but it might actually not be such a bad habit if you are in fact a rabbit.
Have a unique digestive system. They have 3 stomach chambers, and they use a method called foregut fermentation. Microbacteria living in hippos' stomachs break down food early in the digestion process. It's a symbiotic relationship that allows hippos to get the most nutrients out of tough grasses. So after your arm travels down the hippo's throat and goes into the first chamber of its stomach, microbacteria would begin to break down your arm. Then your arm would pass on to the true stomach. This is where digestive enzymes would continue to break it down. Later, the hippo would fling remnants of your arm and some grass over the beast's territory. Hippos can spread their feces up to 10 meters around them. This plays an important role in the rivers and lakes of Africa. By eating and excreting grass, hippos add silicon into Africa's water systems. And that's good because unicellular algae need silicon to thrive. The algae produce oxygen, and it's a key part of the food web. Hippos are extremely territorial, and they're obsessive about protecting their young. So while baby hippos sure are cute, you should always steer clear of them. Most attacks happen because mother hippos see humans as a threat to their offspring. And